Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make eggless chocolate wheat cake. You just need a very few ingredients and a saucepan to make this lovely soft chocolate cake. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a bowl, add half cup of powdered sugar, half cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Give it a nice mix. Then place a sieve, drop in half cup of wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Sieve it and add it to the bowl. Mix all the ingredients well and make sure it's lump free. Now our cake batter is ready. Today I'm using an aluminium saucepan. Grease it with oil and place a butter paper. Grease the side as well. Pour in the batter. Give it a few taps. Place it in the stove. Keep the flame in low. Place a lid and let this cook for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes open, our chocolate wheat cake is perfectly done. Let this rest for another 15 minutes. Then demold the cake and sprinkle some colorful sprinkles on top and it's now ready to enjoy. Very easy, spongy and delicious recipe. So do try this at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.